Are you a site engineer living in a panic condition because of not knowing what and how to supervise the work at construction site? Then please listen to these site techniques tips which are to be followed by the engineers at construction site. This will remove your panic. Probability of occurrence of quality deficiency. Most important fact to be noted is that the following probable problems and the quality deficiency in construction works that may happen in case of non-carrying out of the site techniques. Tip number 1. The cement concrete mix proportion may not be correct or uniform, resulting in less strength. Tip number 2. The cement concrete mixing may not be correct or uniform, resulting in less strength. Tip number 3. The cement concrete laid as bed may have cracks, have variant thickness, have undulations, not be in alignment, not be with smooth finish, ugly at edges. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next video.